For the carrot fry, you need a peel carrot. You need to remove the cover like this. This is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is the 12th carrot I have. It can be serving for 5 people. So for carrot fry, you need to cut into small chunks. Chop it. You need to chop small. Okay, now I finished chopping the carrot. I'm gonna add in the pot. And I'm gonna fill up with 2 cups of water. Water and a pinch of chili powder, salt for taste, and you boil it until the water dissolves and the carrot will be, make sure your carrot is soft enough. For the carrot fry, you need a ghee. It's a, how it goes, it's a butter, but it's ghee. You can find in the Indian store, ghee, or Walmart or something. So you add some ghee. That's 1 tablespoon. A little bit more, like 1.5 tablespoon. Make it hot. Okay, the ghee is hot now. We'll add the dry red chili. We'll make it a brown, smoky brown. And 1 tablespoon of cumin seed, 1 tablespoon of mustard seed. You fry it until they crack up and the chili will be ready. Okay, it becomes smoky now, the chilies become darker. Now curry leaf, add curry leaf to stock. Curry leaf. Okay. Done. And now add the carrot. It's simple but it's delicious. That's good. Fry for a while. After finish the carrot fry, we add the fresh grated coconut. We're gonna grate it now. Okay, it's like what, two tablespoons of grated coconut. We'll put it on. And we'll mix it. Oops. You can enjoy it. It's simple and delicious. I mean, carrot fried with the fresh coconut grated. You can eat with rice, roti. You can eat as a snack also, and you can eat with drinks also if you want. This is good. All right. The carrot fried is done, so it's ready to eat. If you guys try it at home, it's simple and easy and tasty. Okay. So please try at this home and let me know that if it comes out well or not. Just comments me below and like and subscribe my video. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.